Apparently it's 9:33. What the heck? Alright. Is that it? I didn't mean to do that. Oh no. Oh wait. I like that. Try it again. Want some coffee?
Sure.
Okay. Oh. The fridge comes with lattes.
Lattes.
What's the agenda for today? What's on the agenda? We have to get 2 more lights, or I think it's just 1 light.
1 light.
5 light bulbs. Stuff to stage the house. Just like, I don't know, decor. It's just stuff.
Is that it? So stuff, and more stuff.
Stuff, and
Great.
5 items.
We'll see you when we got the stuff.
yes.
Dude, this is cool. I like this
That is
idea.
really cool. This one would be good just because you can adjust the height. Okay. Stuart, should we do 2 of these?
Oh my goodness.
Done.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes. Three of these, actually. Stuart, should I do 1 in the main bathroom or 2 in the main bathroom?
Huge executive decision right here.
That is big.
Huge.
2
Oh, don't mess up.
matches.
Okay.
Don't mess up.
Big decision.
And then 1.5 bath.
Left.
Oh, let me go.
Yeah. Where are they?
This is how it goes. Katie
Over here.
holds something up. Stuart says yes. What? Chicken! Yeah. They look like, what do they look like?
Star Wars.
Like aliens.
Star Wars stuff.
Wow.
Close.
Closed for business. Thank you. These are cute flannels. Lauren, can you buy the clothes?
Nice place.
There's an airplane. Wish we were going where you're going. Anywhere but here. Kentucky mushroom. Thank you, Lord, for us leaving this place.
It's fun for the first like 45
seconds.
minutes, and then it's like.
So long, farewell, I'll be thirsting for you. Goodbye. Nope, not extra Oreo.
Ow.
Thanks for following along with our day.
Okay guys, so it's time to show you what we all got.
So we got these 2 shelves here. These are gonna go in the laundry room just so there's some extra storage above the washer and dryer. And I got this for the living room. I've always wanted these. So I'll probably just stack them just because I like them and just kind of like stick them in an area that I think would be best. And I am obsessed with plants, so obviously I had to get some plants. This one is fake. So we've been to Ikea like 4 times for the flip house, and 0 times have they ever had this in stock. And I'm so excited because they finally had it, and I can fill our frames. So I got these 2 frames for them. Just a really natural wood. Those will fit in there nicely. And then this is just a throw blanket for over the couch for the living room that Stuart really liked. And then I also got some dish towels. They were super, super cheap. I think they were like 79 cents or something. So I got a bunch of them. And then I even got some for us at our house too. So I thought it was a good deal. Then I got this really pretty soap dispenser. So as you can see, I have everything. This accent color, it's like a matte black. So I got a few of those for the bathrooms. And then I got these hand towels because I just wanted something clean and fresh and white. And then they will be hooked onto here. So this will go in all of our bathrooms. And then I got this for the toilet paper for all the bathrooms. And I just liked it because it was super simple. Less is more, you know? I still have to find a place for these guys, but these are really cool hooks. I think I might put them in the bathrooms for people's towels. So it's just like a really minimal look. And then I also got these bath rugs for the bathrooms. So this one will go kind of in front of the shower. And then these ones are circles. So these will go in front of the double vanity. So each sink will have its own little rug. Okay, so last but not least, I have these 2 light fixtures. They'll go above the double vanity in the main bathroom. And I really hope they work because usually in a bathroom, you're supposed to do a glass light fixture just because of the lighting situations. So I'm really hoping that these are not too dark and they give off enough light. So I'm gonna try to raise them up high and hopefully that they give off enough light because I really love these guys. Yay, thanks for watching our IKEA haul. We have to go one more time, so I might do another one, but we'll see.